Spain, a country bursting with vibrant culture and breathtaking landscapes, often evokes images of bustling cities like Madrid and Barcelona. These cities are renowned for their rich history, stunning architecture, and lively atmosphere. From the grand boulevards of Madrid to the artistic allure of Barcelona, these urban centers are a testament to Spain's dynamic spirit. While these urban centers pulse with undeniable energy, there's another side to Spain, one often overlooked in the brochures. Beyond the city limits lies a world of serene countryside, where the pace of life slows down and the hustle and bustle of urban life fades away. Venture beyond the well-trodden paths and you'll discover a Spain of tranquility and timeless beauty. Here, the landscapes are painted with rolling hills, lush vineyards, and olive groves that stretch as far as the eye can see. The air is filled with the scent of wildflowers and the gentle hum of nature. Tucked away in valleys and perched on hillsides lie villages seemingly untouched by time. These villages, with their red-tiled roofs and stone walls, offer a glimpse into a bygone era. Each village has its own unique charm, with narrow streets that wind through clusters of whitewashed houses and lead to stunning viewpoints. These hidden gems offer an authentic glimpse into the heart of Spain, where life moves at a slower pace and traditions run deep. Here you can witness age-old customs and festivals that have been passed down through generations. The locals, dressed in traditional attire, are always eager to share their stories and welcome visitors with open arms. These villages, often built from local stone and tile, blend seamlessly into the surrounding landscape. The architecture is a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty, with rustic homes that seem to grow out of the earth itself. Each building tells a story, with weathered facades and intricate details that speak of a rich history. Their narrow cobblestone streets whisper tales of centuries past, each turn revealing a hidden courtyard or a charming cafe. These courtyards are often adorned with vibrant flowers and offer a peaceful retreat where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or a glass of local wine. Here, time seems to stand still, offering a respite from the frenetic pace of modern life. The tranquil atmosphere allows you to reconnect with nature and find solace in the simple pleasures of rural life. Whether it's a leisurely walk through the countryside or a quiet moment by a bubbling stream, these villages provide a sanctuary for the soul. Whether you're seeking breathtaking views, a taste of authentic Spanish cuisine, or simply a chance to escape the ordinary, these hidden villages promise an unforgettable journey. The local cuisine, made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients, offers a true taste of Spain. From hearty stews to delicate pastries, each dish is a celebration of the region's culinary heritage. Prepare to be captivated by their charm as you uncover the soul of Spain. As you explore these enchanting villages, you'll find that each one has its own unique story to tell. The warmth and hospitality of the locals, the stunning natural beauty, and the rich cultural traditions all combine to create an experience that is both magical and unforgettable. While the allure of iconic landmarks and bustling cityscapes is undeniable, there's a hidden cost to their popularity. Overcrowding has become a growing concern in many of Spain's major tourist destinations. Long queues snake outside renowned museums and monuments, often leaving visitors frustrated and drained before they even step foot inside. The sheer volume of people can detract from the experience, making it difficult to appreciate the art, architecture, or historical significance of the site. Beyond the crowds, the rise of mass tourism has also led to a surge in tourist traps. These establishments, often disguised as authentic local experiences, prioritize profit over quality and authenticity. Inflated prices, mediocre food, and impersonal service can leave a sour taste in the mouth of even the most seasoned traveler. The pursuit of the perfect Instagram shot often overshadows the true essence of these destinations, leaving visitors with a superficial and unsatisfying experience. But there is another way to experience Spain, one that bypasses the crowds and delves into the heart of its culture. Perched dramatically atop El Tajo Gorge, Ronda is a sight to behold. This city, seemingly suspended between the heavens and the earth, offers a visual feast that captivates the soul. The sheer cliffs and the deep chasm create a natural fortress that has protected its inhabitants for centuries. This ancient city, with its roots dating back to Roman times, is split in two by a dramatic 100-meter deep chasm. The gorge, known as El Tajo, is a natural wonder that has shaped the history and culture of Ronda. The city's strategic location made it a coveted prize for various civilizations, from the Romans to the Moors, each leaving their indelible mark. The star of the show is undoubtedly the Puente Nuevo, a magnificent stone bridge completed in 1793, connecting the old and new towns. This architectural marvel took over 40 years to build and stands as a symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance. The bridge not only serves as a vital link between the two halves of the city, but also offers stunning views that attract visitors from around the world. Standing on the bridge, gazing down into the depths of the gorge, is an experience that will take your breath away. The dizzying height and the sheer drop into the chasm below create a sense of awe and wonder. It's a moment that connects you to the past, as you imagine the countless people who have stood in the same spot, marveling at the same view. The sheer scale of the landscape, combined with the architectural prowess of the bridge, is a testament to the ingenuity of a bygone era. The intricate stonework and the massive arches of the Puente Nuevo are a reminder of the incredible skill and craftsmanship of the builders. The bridge is not just a functional structure, but a work of art that has stood the test of time. Beyond its iconic bridge, Ronda is a city steeped in history and culture. Every corner of the city tells a story, from the ancient walls that once protected it to the grand palaces and churches that reflect its rich heritage. The city is a living museum where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. Wander through the cobblestone streets of La Ciudad, the old Moorish quarter, and lose yourself in a maze of whitewashed houses adorned with colorful flower boxes. The narrow alleys and hidden courtyards are a delight to explore, offering a glimpse into the daily life of the city's residents. The scent of jasmine and the sound of church bells add to the enchanting atmosphere. Explore the Plaza de Toros, one of Spain's oldest bull rings, and delve into the controversial history of this traditional spectacle. The bull ring is not just a venue for bullfights, but a cultural landmark that has played a significant role in the history of Ronda. The museum inside offers fascinating insights into the art of bullfighting and the famous matadors who have performed here. As the sun sets, casting a warm glow over the city, find a table at a local tapas bar and savor the flavors of Andalusia, accompanied by a glass of local wine. The evening is a time to relax and enjoy the simple pleasures of life, surrounded by the beauty and history of Ronda. The city comes alive at night with the sounds of laughter and music filling the air, creating a magical ambiance that is hard to resist. Stepping back in time, Besalú's medieval charm. Crossing the ancient Romanesque bridge that guards the entrance to Besalú is like stepping back in time. This meticulously preserved medieval town in Catalonia transports you to an era of knights, nobles, and captivating legends. The bridge itself, with its 7 arches and fortified tower, is a marvel of medieval engineering and a testament to the town's strategic importance throughout history. As you stroll through the narrow, cobbled streets lined with honey-colored stone houses, you can almost hear the echoes of footsteps from centuries past. Explore the well-preserved Jewish quarter, a testament to the town's rich, multicultural past, and visit the 12th century mikvah, a ritual bath used for Jewish purification ceremonies. Climb the steps to the remains of the 11th century castle, perched high above the town, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. For a truly immersive experience, visit Besalú during one of its many medieval festivals, where the streets come alive with costumed characters, jousting tournaments, and traditional music and dance. Cadaqués, an artist's haven by the sea. Nestled on a picturesque bay on the Costa Brava, Cadaqués is a town that has long captivated artists and dreamers alike. Its whitewashed houses, clustered around a horseshoe-shaped harbor, seem to tumble down the hillside towards the sparkling Mediterranean Sea. The town's most famous resident, Salvador Dalí, found endless inspiration in the rugged beauty of the surrounding landscape, which is reflected in his surrealist masterpieces. Follow in the footsteps of the artist and visit his former home, now a museum in nearby Portlaget. Stroll along the town's waterfront promenade, lined with colorful fishing boats and charming cafes, and soak up the relaxed Mediterranean atmosphere. Explore the narrow streets of the old town, dotted with art galleries and boutiques, and discover the works of local artists inspired by the town's unique light and landscape. For breathtaking views of the coastline, hike up to the Cap de Cruz Natural Park, a rugged peninsula of dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and windswept headlands. Albarracín, a timeless village painted in pink. Nestled in the heart of Spain, this enchanting village is a hidden gem that beckons travelers with its unique charm and historical allure. High on a rocky outcrop, Almost entirely encircled by the Guadalaviar River, lies Albarracín, a village that feels frozen in time. The river's gentle flow adds a serene backdrop to the village's picturesque setting, making it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Its most striking feature is undoubtedly its architecture. The village's buildings, with their distinct pink hue, stand as a testament to the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Houses built from locally sourced pink gypsum seem to glow in the sunlight, creating a visual spectacle that is both captivating and surreal. The warm tones of the gypsum reflect the sun's rays, casting a magical light that changes with the time of day. Wander through the labyrinthine streets where time seems to stand still, and admire the intricate wrought iron balconies, wooden eaves, and flower-filled courtyards that adorn the houses. Each corner of the village tells a story, inviting you to explore and discover its hidden treasures. Step back in time at the Albarracín Cultural Park, an open-air museum showcasing prehistoric rock art, and delve into the region's rich history. The park offers a fascinating glimpse into the lives of the area's earliest inhabitants, with well-preserved artworks that have stood the test of time. Visit the 10th century Alcazaba, a Moorish fortress that once protected the town, and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. The fortress, with its imposing walls and strategic location, provides a window into the village's storied past and its significance in regional history. As the day draws to a close, find a table at a traditional restaurant and savor the flavors of Aragonese cuisine, accompanied by a glass of local wine. The culinary delights of Albarracín are a feast for the senses, offering a perfect blend of tradition and taste. Albarracín, with its timeless beauty and tranquil ambiance, offers a glimpse into the soul of Spain, untouched by the passage of time. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a lover of architecture, or simply seeking a peaceful retreat, this village promises an unforgettable experience that will linger in your memory long after you've left its pink-hued streets behind.